Hello guys! In this video, we will talk about choosing a path and show some demo between a good and a bad path right after this. Welcome to Succulents for Beginners channel. Let's talk about choosing the best path for your plant needs and how each part is a deciding factor. These are the pot parts that we will consider: drainage hole, color, and foot. This line is where our soil line should be. Why? See this little experiment. When you water this, the soil media will overflow and the water won't sink in the pot. While in this one, water sets and sink in. Why hole size matters? Because the bigger the hole, the more water can pass through in a short period of time. A good pot foot should be used. The footing elevates the hole from the ground so that the hole can breathe. Let's see an example of a good foot and a bad foot. Why this one is a good foot and this one is a bad foot? We'll find out shortly. Let's try to put water in each pot and see what happens. Even if they have the same hole size, they have different foot. The foot in the left pot lets the water escape underneath, while the other one keeps the water inside. Imagine your succulent sitting in that for a long period of time. Pot size also matters. It's this simple. The smaller the pot, the smaller water it retains. The smaller the pot, the faster the sun dries the water in it, and vice versa. Pot material also have some things to consider, like disposable pots are cheaper, plastic pots are lightweight and durable, ceramic pots are elegant, terracotta pots are breathable. For example, if you have lots of plants for selling, it's easier for you to use disposable since they are cheap and lightweight. If you want to use plants for decor, you might use ceramic or terracotta pots. Terracotta pots are breathable. It lets air in the roots, which is beneficial for the plant. But this same breathability is easily achieved by using loose soil. Plastic and disposable pots are best for those who have bulk succulents. It will ease the labor, especially when you transport them, as they are lightweight and doesn't break. That's all guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!